Welcome to our guide on how to change the font style in your status on WhatsApp. Let's walk through the steps to customize your status with unique fonts. To begin, open WhatsApp on your device. Navigate to the Updates tab, located at the bottom of the screen. To create a text status, tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you can start typing your desired status message. If you wish to change the font style of your text, simply tap on the T icon at the top right corner of the screen. This option allows you to select from different font styles to make your status more visually appealing. Once you're satisfied with the font style and content of your status, tap the Send button, represented by a paper plane icon, to post it. Your customized status will now be shared with your contacts. By following these steps, you can easily enhance the appearance of your status updates on WhatsApp by incorporating unique font styles. Personalize your status messages to stand out and express yourself creatively.